Did you know axolotls can basically play God with their own bodies? These aquatic weirdos can regenerate almost anything, including their heart. Welcome to Feral Facts, where the wildest truths get feral. Let's dive into the bizarre world of axolotls, nature's ultimate party trick performers. First up, these little water dragons are basically immortal teenagers. They never grow up, staying in their larval form forever. Talk about Peter Pan syndrome, but wait, it gets more feral. Axolotls have the superpower to regrow lost body parts. We're not just talking about a tail or a limb here. These overachievers can regenerate their spinal cord, brain, and even parts of their heart. It's like they have a built-in 3D printer for organs. Here's where it gets even weirder. Axolotls have external gills that look like fancy feather boas. These frilly accessories aren't just for show, they're how these aquatic oddities breathe underwater. It's like having a scuba tank permanently attached to your head, but the feral facts don't stop there. Axolotls come in a variety of colors, including pink, black, and even albino. Some even glow in the dark thanks to genetic modifications. It's like nature decided to create its own line of living, breathing glow sticks. And for our final feral fact, axolotls have an insane appetite and will eat pretty much anything that fits in their mouths, including their own kind. Talk about the ultimate family feud, it's like a never-ending underwater episode of Survivor. If you're loving these feral facts, please consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind. Plus it helps us keep the wild coming. That's today's dose of wild. Stay curious, stay feral.